line in 3, 2, 1, go.
We're starting qualification match number 53 with 5 robots moving off of the auto starting line. 9551 is now waiting for teleop to begin, while their alliance partners, the Livonia Warriors, are putting up 2, maybe 3 pieces before autonomous is over. As we approach teleop, we see 5114 lining up to hopefully shoot and score onto the blue reef. 5114 now is descoring the algae from their reef so that they can get more points from the coral. Their alliance partners, 5878, the Great Lakers, now lining up to shoot and score onto the Blue Alliance reef in that L4 position. This is a close match, folks, with only a 2-point difference, and 9251 is trying to close the gap. 2832, the Livonia Warriors now putting a coral up on that level 4. Their human player was a little bit quick with it and dropped one of the coral on the ground, but very quickly they recover from that, and the Livonia Warriors are already back scoring level 4 for that Red Alliance. 7772, the Lucky Sevens, lining up with a human player station, trying to pick up from their human player. They seem like they may have gotten it, or it may be stuck in their robot somehow. Back to the blue side of the field, we see the Titanium Tigers loading a coral into their mechanism, and they're lining up to score it on one of the levels. I can't necessarily tell which. 5538 grabs a coral from their human player and is bringing it over to score level 1 for the Blue Alliance. They do just that, and the Blue Alliance gets a couple extra points for their match. 5114 drops a coral on the ground, and it looks like they may be trying to decide if something may be wrong with their robot. 5538 back to score level 1 as their alliance partners, the Great Lakers, are lining up with another coral in their grasp. We're approaching endgame with a 2-point difference between these teams, and it seems as though the Livonia Warriors are not moving. That could be detrimental for their endgame decisions. 9251's trying to pick up the slack as they're picking up from the ground yet again. Let's see what they're able to do with that robot. Endgame is over at this point, and there may be a robot off the ground from the blue side, but there are definitely 3 parked over here. Alliance takes this one home with a score of 71-65 and 4 ranking points for their team.